Thanks for joining me today. We get to walk you through this pre-owned. This is a 2006 Nautique SV211. So roughly 21 feet in length. You can see it's got the tower with the board racks. It's got a couple speakers up on top. Nice simple white with the Nautique Air logo on the side. Got the nice swim platform. And then this also has the surf pipe added. That was added a little bit later. Let's take a look at the interior. All right, thanks for joining me aboard this 06 SV211. It's got a nice sun pad here in the back. Again, nice places to hang out, get ready to go surfing or wakeboarding. We got a nice walk through here on the side. Some ballast bag underneath there, and the battery switch is underneath there. Here we've got the engine. So this is the Excalibur by PCM 330. This does have extra ballast added by the previous customer. We've got nice seating all the way around. We do have the Polk speakers up top with some lighting. Storage underneath there, storage under there. As we come to the helm, something pretty important that a lot of some boats had, some didn't, is Perfect Pass. So this does have Perfect Pass. 640 hours on this boat. We've got the depth finder here. We've also got where you fill the ballast there. This particular boat added a nice big subwoofer underneath here. Storage in the floor. We do have a nice bow filler cushion. You can take that out. There are more ballast bags up in the bow as well. For a 2006, this thing is super clean. No rips or tears anywhere. Very well taken care of. This is here at our Rogers location. Come on by anytime.